Welcome! You are on the Music for Young Violinists YouTube channel. I am so grateful to connect with you here and wanted to say that this is one small part of a much bigger project, and I'm going to share with you what that is at the end. I have over 20 years of experience teaching, and my biggest passion in this world is to help bring more music forth. And that inspired me to create this channel. So there's three groups of people that are going to benefit from these resources. Now, the first is violin students. I know from decades of being a student myself that sometimes I just needed to hear something in a different way. I needed different words or just a different way to tackle it, a different curriculum. I love technique, like really love technique, and I have some creative solutions for you. So I'm going to create a playlist just for the students of 5 of my favorite technical videos in the description below. The second group of people that this channel is for is the parents of young musicians. You are forgotten in this process, and we need to change that because you are working with great perception and diligence and vision, and you need support. This is not an easy thing that you've undertaken, but I promise you with my whole heart right now, it is worth every effort you put in. Again, I've created a playlist just for the parents to help you feel supported. So when your child has gone to sleep, you can come watch some of these and we can just give you some solutions to help you move forward. And the third group of people that this channel is for are the violin teachers. We're colleagues. We might never meet in actual face-to-face, but we share this mutual love of teaching and how to take something as nebulous as music and break it down into orderly steps, which is the art of teaching the violin. As I mentioned at the beginning, this is one small part of a bigger project. So I have an entire website that I'm so proud of and would love to invite you to. This website features an entire page of freebies. It's always rotating and it's really neat what you can find there. I'm smiling because I just put up something really cool today. Please go join me there. It has a newsletter. If you sign up for the newsletter, I'm going to share with you an entire packet of music. There's an online store with over 20 collections of sheet music that, if you're like me, you're busy and your life is complex and you wear a lot of hats in this world and you need something that you can just push click and print and have as a resource, and that is what this project does. I also have a blog and this really cool part of the project that's called Violin Hacks, which is a neat visual teaching solutions for different technique. Love that. So please join me on my website. I'm going to leave that link below. And if you haven't hit subscribe, I would be so grateful if you did. That way we can stay connected and you can help me support this passion and just helping a little more music into the world. Thank you.